Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we help you with all the things gaming and tech. Today we are tackling a frequently asked question: how to delete your Clash of Clans account. Whether you are ready to step away or starting fresh, I will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Clash of Clans, then you have to tap onto the gear icon from the down right corner of your screen. Tap on help and support, then tap on chat, tap on leave message. In support chat, send a message stating that you want to delete your account. You could say something like, I would like to delete my Clash of Clans account. Here on the screen you can see the option of do you want to delete this game. Tap on it and again you have to tap on I agree to delete my data. Then finally you have to tap on delete account. After tapping on delete account, it may ask to wait a few days to finalize the request, which is safeguard to ensure no accidental deletion. If you change your mind during this time, you can change the request by contacting support again. And that's it, you have successfully requested to delete your Clash of Clans account.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.